Okay, today for math, for fluency, you guys are going to be practicing this activity, which you learned yesterday. But basically, you are rolling the dice, and you are trying to get to $1. So if I roll a 1, I get a penny, 2, a nickel, 3, a dime, 4 is a quarter, 5 is any coin, and 6 is lose a turn. So if I have a nickel, we know that that's worth 5 cents. So if I roll a nickel and a penny, then that would be 5 cents and 1 cent. So I would get 6 cents. You're trying to add up the amount of change you get until you reach $1. And this is your fluency, which you'll do at the beginning of class before you do math. And then I have a video I'm going to use to show you the math lesson. Then you'll do your independent and get it checked. And then once you turn in your independent work, if you are doing okay with it, and then you will go ahead and move on to your station like we always do. So I have a bunch of different stations here, and I have my groups on them, so you will find out where you need to go and which table you're going to go to as soon as you finish your independent. So you need to look at the sticky notes. So this one says table 2. Emmanuel, Ezai, Vivi, Aiden, and Desmond, you'll go to table 2. Janaya, Jamie, and Ashley, you will work on this activity, which we've done before. All of these things you've done before, so you should know how to do them. This is for table number 3. We have this activity where you are ordering numbers. You're going to use these cards with numbers in them, and you're going to decide if they're greater than, less than, or equal to. But for these people at table 5, it says you're going to use a place value chart to show how you would compare them. So you'll need to create one in your notebook and then write your numbers in the place value chart and show me how you compare them. And then I will be checking all of the work that you guys do with these. So make sure you're doing it on your notebooks. This one is at table 4, and basically it's QR code subtraction. So you will need an iPad, just one at your table so you can check your work, but you will also show your work in your notebook before you complete your station. And then at this station, you will be given lots of different numbers in different forms, and you will write them in the 3 forms. So standard form, word form, and expanded form. You will write them out in those 3 forms before you grab another card. And hopefully that makes sense. The directions are on all of the cards, and it also tells you who is at which table and where to go. So good luck, and do your best, and make sure that when you're at your stations, you're at a zone 0, unless you're working with a group, and I actually don't think any of these are, but if you must talk, then you will be at zone 1, and your talk is only about math. If we have to move a clip down because of talking off topic, then that will happen. So make good choices.